kitchen where I try anything and everything. Today, I will be making an upside down pineapple cake, which I'm very excited to try. So stay tuned to do a taste test with me and to learn some exciting facts. So let's have a look at the ingredients. For the topping, you will need 7 pineapple rings with the syrup drained and reserved for the cake, 100 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of butter softened, glazed cherries, but you will only need 7. And for the delicious cake, you will need 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 100 grams of butter softened, and 2 eggs. Let's get baking. Step 1. For the topping, beat the butter and sugar together until creamy. Did you know that pineapples take about 18 to 20 months to become ready to harvest? Now spread the butter and sugar mixture over the base and 1/4 of the way up the sides of a round cake tin. Step 2. Arrange 7 pineapple rings on top of the butter. Then place 7 glazed cherries in the center of each pineapple ring. Now let's get started with the cake batter. Step 3. Place the butter, caster sugar, vanilla extract, flour, baking powder, eggs, and 2 tablespoons of the pineapple juice into the bowl of an electric mixer. Then mix this until it's creamy and a soft consistency. Upside down pineapple cake dates back hundreds of years when people would cook with cast iron skillets over open fires. When they wanted a sweet treat, they would line the bottom of the pans with fruit and pour batter on top. Step 4. Spoon the batter into the tin on top of the pineapple and smooth this out so that it's level. Did you know that you can keep upside down pineapple cake in the refrigerator for up to 3 days? Now bake for 35 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Then allow this to rest for 5 minutes. Now turn the cake over onto a plate. Yummy! Now this looks amazing! All done. Let's give it a try. It's so moist, so delicious, very tasty. Wow, if you are a pineapple lover, definitely try this recipe. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes with me. If you try this recipe, send us some pictures in the comment section. you next time. Goodbye.